What's up, Fitter Squad? This is Brad, aka Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually heading to Georgia. About to finish fueling up, then I'm gonna hit the road. I know the last time, well, not the last time, the time before the last time wasn't a great trip, but this is gonna be a good trip. And I know it's been a minute since my last video, but we're gonna get back on the grind. Gonna link up with some of the homies while there. Some of the homies with Infinity, some of the homies with Ultimas. There's gonna be quite a few. But fortunately, we here, first stop. I just gotta remember to make sure I don't keep it in sport mode for this trip, because I'm not trying to stop a lot and pay a lot of gas. But it's just hard to keep it out of sport mode, so I don't know if I'm gonna do eco mode, but I'm gonna at least try to stay on normal. But yeah, nothing really changed with the car since the last video. Yeah, nothing really. Still got some more plans for it, so definitely stay tuned for that. But I've been holding off on doing anything. I still want to do the brakes, get some new wheels. I gotta do a trunk setup. Man, it's a lot, but definitely gonna be doing that. I'm probably going to be changing. All right, let me go ahead and finish this. I'll finish this in another clip. And I wasn't empty or anything, but I decided to stop. I still had a quarter tank at least, but I figured since I'm going to the bathroom, I might as well get gas. But it just finished. But yeah, probably pick up the the camera when I either get back or get there, or when we are going to go ahead and do something. So stay tuned. Alright, so I made it here. Everything was good, except for as I pulled in, I must have tripped my underglow, because that was kind of going out. It was flashing. I did see it hanging in the front. I kind of tucked it up now, but about to head over to the homie Amir's house and he'll take a look at it and we'll see what's going on with it. But other than that, that's the only casualty, knock on wood. I mean, other than it being dirty, even though it was just washed. And my brother's car. And my grandmother's car. Alright, we're about to do a little photo shoot. I got the car all the way up. So I wanna rinse them down real quick. Alright, sorry, but I don't know where it cut off, but yeah, I gotta see where his PSI is, because he's sitting real nice. Make sure you follow the homies. I'll put both of their Instagrams down below. Amir, Chris's car. Man, shit is lovely. Alright, so of course I don't have rags to dry it, but I mean, letting the hood dry, or letting the water drip out, I should say. From the vents. So it makes it easier for when driving. Alright, so just getting to a little, well, I won't say impromptu. It's impromptu for us because we wasn't planning to go. But
what is that?
It's definitely dope. F in the chat. Just saw some crazy Charger. I wish they would have been coming, but it is what it is. Here we go. Got a couple homies just on the way as well. Senpai. I've seen this one at Z1. Yeah, in the Gentleman's Z. Yeah, I don't know what happened to the focus, but there we go. That's nice. Let's see these blues. Yeah, that's clean. That color.
I think if I had it,
Love the color. All right, yeah, look who pulled up. Looking good, looking good. Seen them, make sure you follow. Seen them last year when I was here in Georgia as well. Looking good. Had to check out his squad, the Ramen Runners. Alright, look what else we got. The Nismo. Not my first one seeing, but it's the first one seeing in a while. First one in black I've seen. It's definitely clean. Very dope. But yeah, it was dope seeing that. That's on air. Missed the air out, but it's pretty cool. Spicy mustard pulled up. Trunk setup is crazy. Make sure you check them out. There you go.
okay, I thought this plastic thing was
Pretty dope.
here. Thank
That was, the smell was strong. All right, let's try this again. All right, we had another day. We're about to head on over to a Nissan Infinity meet. I think it might be a Skyline Invitational. Honestly, not sure. Just saw this clean R34. He pulled away before I took out the camera, but we'll see him in a minute. But yeah, linking up with some of the homies. We got another one a little further away. Actually, I'll go show you. Homie Harry. He was actually at the meet that I went to the last time I was in Georgia. Back when the car was still white. Looking good. Waiting for one more, then we'll roll out. There we go. Got another one. Alright, so we pulled up. Had some issues with the tank at 0, take forever to air up. So I'm finally gonna just get that second compressor like I need to. But yeah, looking pretty good. Alright, that's clean. There's a couple other cars. Let's go check them out. RX-7 over there. Supra over there. Maybe we should have parked closer. Very clean. Love it.
What gimbal is that?
That's the one we saw at the gas station that I was telling you about. I don't know if I got this, but yeah, definitely nice. Flight crew. We got a Z over there as well.
Didn't expect that.
new?
We got two RX-7s. One right there and the other right there. IPL showed up. That one. And this one is nice with the carbon. Love that trunk. But yeah, it's the IPL. So clean. Oh, she said she knew. Got that very clean. Oh. Rest in peace, young Dolph. Yeah, it's towards the end of the meet where everybody's starting to leave, but this has been here for a while. Hello. This has been here for a while. Very clean. Red light. In the fun. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Like the color on this too. And the mic is facing me, by the way, so if it ain't too loud, you know why. Alright, so I only had one casualty so far from the trip. And that's this side is not working from the underglow. So, show the part. Actually, I'll back up the car and show it. But there's a issue with part of the wire that's causing this. So, let me go ahead and do that real quick. I'm not sure if I've done a cold start in this video or not, but let's go ahead and do one real quick. I'll cut it out if I did. Alright, so that's the issue right there. So excuse the duct tape. I kind of put it on there so it wouldn't be hanging as much as it was during that trip, but it still came down, as you can see. I was informed one of the homies might be able to fix it. We'll try that at a later time. But I'm definitely gonna have to put some more 3M on there because it definitely was hanging. That was the big cause. But overall, great trip. I do have some weird issue with this sequential turn signal. For some reason, when I turn off the lights, sometimes it doesn't turn all the way off. It's like one light in the corner that stays on, and it changes colors and everything. If I tap it, just tap the mirror, it turns off. So we gotta check that as well. But overall, great trip to Georgia. I'll probably be doing it in another month here pretty soon. Also, excuse the grass. It's time to cut that. Since I was gone for about a week, a little over. So yeah, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end this video. Definitely like to thank you all for tuning in. Let's go ahead and do the comment of the day, and the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected, please leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.